from the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, after we did see a scattering of some showers and storms earlier on today, most of the latter part of the afternoon has been relatively quiet, but now we are looking at additional activity trying to push through at least northern Acadiana here late this evening. So we'll get to the Doppler in just a second, but first here's what we have going on with the satellite radar composite. A little bit of a disturbance that's really making showers and storms most prevalent off to our east, but you can kind of see here we're kind of on the tail end of this disturbance here locally, and I kind of mentioned this earlier. I thought we were going to see some additional activity fire up here late this evening, at least for portions of the area. And sure enough, we have seen a couple complexes of storms that was pushing on through. We have this severe thunderstorm warning that's in effect for Evangeline Parish, northern Evangeline Parish, here until 10:30 this evening. So with that particular cell, we'll detail it here in just a second. Be on the lookout for some gusty winds, quite a bit of lightning, torrential downpours, perhaps some hail as well. Now, Lafayette on southeastward, pretty quiet, but again, a couple complexes of storms, strong storms just off to the north and west. This particular cell in Beauregard Parish has been producing some very heavy rainfall, quite a bit of lightning moving right over Highway 171 as we speak. Again, pushing off to the southeast, so if you're in Reeves, Kinder, be on the lookout for this cell, but Oberlin looks like the worst of this is going to be pushing off to your west, but we'll have to see if that holds together. Could impact portions of, we'll say, Allen Parish here over the next several minutes. And then in Evangeline Parish, in and around Pine Prairie, this is that severe Warren cell. It is on a weakening trend, thankfully. Notice it was most intense up here near Glenmora, but a little bit weaker as it's pushing through Pine Prairie. Could impact Mamu here over the next several minutes. Ville Platte, this particular cell will push just west of you, but still some light showers in and around Ville Platte there. But again, most of this should be on a weakening trend over the next couple of hours as it pushes southeastward. The models have been indicating that to us, but still we'll keep an eye on the radar over the next couple of hours. But I think after about 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, should be pretty quiet out there. Temperatures mild, upper 70s to lower 80s. So that's where we'll start the day tomorrow. Then a very similar weather pattern over the next couple of days to like what we saw this weekend. A mostly cloudy sky with a scattering of primarily afternoon showers and storms. Rain chances will sit at around 50 to 60%. Highs with the added cloud cover, again, limited to the upper 80s to lower 90s. And like today, again, some of these storms could be on the hefty side, producing some heavy rainfall and quite a bit of lightning. Some of that activity could extend into the evening hours as well. Tuesday will start out near 80 and then upper 80s to lower 90s Tuesday afternoon with another scattering of some showers and storms, although it looks like the greatest coverage of those storms come Tuesday afternoon will be over southeastern Louisiana. Tropics are quiet, not really expecting any new developments other than one small area in the extreme northern Atlantic, but that is going to be subtropical in nature and not a concern for us. Now, as we look at the precipitable water or the available moisture within the atmosphere next several days, we'll be locked in the red here, so some deep moisture in place, a low-level moisture in place. So with no cap in the atmosphere, that's going to keep daily scattered storm chances in the mix. But as the week wears on, that deeper moisture is going to be pushing off to our east. Some slightly drier air moves in, thus lower rain chances, slightly hotter temperatures with highs returning to the mid-90s. Tonight, upper 70s to lower 80s, and then we will see highs reaching the lower 90s tomorrow afternoon under that partly, but at times mostly cloudy sky. 79 your projected low tonight. Again, watching those storms across northern Acadiana. We'll see if they can hold together, but I think most of us probably miss out on that as they will be on a weakening trend. 93 your projected high tomorrow. Mostly cloudy skies, scattered thunder showers with rain chances 50 to 60%. That's the way it goes into Tuesday, but then rain chances on their way down Wednesday through the rest of the week. As a result, a little bit hotter, but not extreme. Mid-90s with those heat indices getting into the triple digits, eventually 105 to 110. And that's the way it looks to go into the following weekend as well. Taylor?
Thanks for that, Bradley. Yeah, I got to escape the heat for a bit, but not too much.
Yeah, it's going to be back later this week. Yes.
Oh, man. Thanks for that.